Hey y'all, while I've got a little bit of time to kill, I'm still here in Florida. Haven't hit the road again, waiting on the Jeep to get back with a fixed axle that got broken. And so I've been camping in my trailer, and I'm gonna give you a little bit of walk around to see what that is all about. Let me switch you around. So this was a simple flat trailer with some rails. We got to replace the rails with risers, and those are pinned so that I can lift the rooftop tent up so that the Annex will fit. So the jacks, a couple simple RV jacks that lift everything up and lower it back down. Lots of storage. Got a tire for the trailer as well as a tire for the Jeep. In storage, coolers, everything rides back here, rides nicely. The Annex, as you can see here, and so you can sleep in that, or it's definitely large enough for a few more people to sleep in, or I use it as a dressing room and a place to store my stuff out of sight. And of course, the rooftop tent. This is all Smittybuilt. Definitely added a mattress. Tempur-Pedic thin mattress, and sleeps like a dream for me. I sleep really well in this tent. And there is our umbrella. We'll be adding an awning when we get back. The awning will be coming off of this side, and still deciding on what awning to use there. Maybe you guys can give me some suggestions in the comments. There's the doors for the Jeep. I really apologize to the repair guys working on the Jeep. Man, it was really muddy when I sent it in, and I sure hate to do that to guys working on a Jeep, because I know how it sucks to have mud falling in your face. So sorry again, I didn't get it washed before I broke it. And hopefully we'll be back on the road today or later today for our 2,000-mile trip back to Tucson, Arizona, back to the desert, and back to all the great off-roading and great folks that we hang out with there. So see you soon. That's the walk around for the Blue Burro II trailer.